Hello, today it's Sandy and Nick, my friend here, who's offered to help me today. And we are here at Meaningful Day Services, and we are going to tell you a few new things that's going on. One thing that's really, really important is that our Adult Day Services building in Indianapolis is going to be moving over the week of Christmas. So make sure that you learn more at the December stakeholder newsletter, or you can call our office if you have any questions or concerns. The new building is going to have almost double the space of the old building. We're very, very excited about that. We are continuing to hire music and rec therapists, and would love to interview any quality music and rec therapists that would like to come work and believe in our mission. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can watch our great videos. So, each month we make a craft that hopefully is somewhat related to the holidays. So, you think this is a good match for the holidays, Nick?
Yeah.
I think so too. So, we're going to make.
It'll be fun.
It's going to be fun. We're going to make a snowman, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to put rice and then cotton balls into this sock. It's just a regular sock. I mean, I probably, got it at the 5 and dime. Oh, they don't have 5 and dimes anymore, do they? Dollar store. Mm-hmm. And then we have some buttons, and we have some green felt for a nose, and then we have a poof and a little scarf here. So we're going to start, and Nick is going to pour all the rice in for us. I'm going to hold it, and he's going to pour the rice in so we can make the belly.
Oh, yeah.
That's right. Oh, excellent. And what would you say? Is that like a cup of rice? I'd say maybe about a cup. And then we're going to take a rubber band, and we're going to belly, make him a belly. So, it's a pretty good snowman belly, actually. Okay. And the next thing we have to do is we have to put the poofs on the top for the face, so Nick's going to do that for us.
Yeah.
Pick those up, stuff those in there. Oh, excellent.
Thank you.
Oh, very good. All right. So now we're going to put another rubber band on here. Make it into a real snowman here. Okay, and now I'm going to tie this up again on the top. Now, this is where the fun comes in. It's in case you weren't having fun yet.
Exactly.
Is you're going to roll. We're going to roll this twice. And then we're going to bring it down to make it look like a hat. And then we're going to poof it out so it looks like a little ski hat. See? Now, look. Our snowman has a ski hat. Okay?
Right. Looks good.
What do you think? I think he looks pretty good.
Yeah, I like it.
So I'm going to bring the rubber band up just a tiny bit here. Okay, cool. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to put his scarf on him. La-da-da, going outside.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so now we're going to glue some stuff on him. So, let's see. What do you want to use? What buttons do you want to use for his eyes? What do you think?
Ooh.
What do you think?
Oh, we're going to do first class, right?
Yeah, you pick whatever ones. I'm going to put some glue on here, and we're going to stick some eyeballs on him.
Nice. Let's start off with pink.
Ooh, that would be good eyes.
Yeah.
Like a bunny. Bunnies have.
Exactly.
Bunnies have big eyes. So, let's put them right there where the glue is. Whoop. That's right. Very good for fine motor skills.
Yeah.
Okay, we need one more bop of glue because we're going to go ahead, put that in there. Excellent. And then we're going to put a little bop of glue right there. And we're going to put the nose. Nope, we're going to need the orange nose.
The orange nose.
Yeah, pick one of those for the
there
nose. Yeah, he's going to have a big nose.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, big nose there. Yeah.
Yeah.
Big nose. All right. And now let's take the marker. Let's give him a nice smile. So he doesn't look creepy, because now he kind of looks a little creepy. He needs a little smile here to make him look happy.
Yeah.
There we go. Nice happy smile on our snowman.
Perfect. I like it.
Yeah.
So far.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
We're doing well, aren't we?
We are doing well. Okay, what color of poof should we put on the top of his hat? We got two choices, blue or orange. What do you want?
Let's do blue.
Okay. All right. Let me put some goopy glue up here, and then you can put the poof on. And there we go. All right. Stick her up there. Oh, excellent. Perfect. All right, so Snowman 101. There you go. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful holiday season, and we'll see you in January.
Yep.
Bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye.